Hey Pisces, what's up? This is a reading for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So, guys, I did start your reading and I was interrupted, which is why I'm gonna remake the video. But I had to have the cards outside, which were pretty awesome. So I didn't want to shuffle again. All right. So this is their feelings and intentions towards you from the 20th to the 30th of October 2021. All right, boom. The first card that came out is the Eight of Wands here. So this person feels like taking things, speeding things up very quickly. So I feel that if things are stuck and stagnant between you both, there is no communication here. In their feelings, they want to move things forward, like they're desperate. This person's desperately wanting communication. They're extremely passionate about you, and this person is like no chill. All right, they want to move things forward like quickly, okay, without thinking, okay, just like now. So this could be online communication also, and this could be traveling also. Take it how it resonates. With the Empress here, this person, either you're married to this person here, or this person sees you as marriage material. So this person here sees you as abundant. They see you as someone who's not chasing them. You got your own life, you got your own shit together, you love yourself, probably you've started your own business, or you're doing very well career wise, or you're financially abundant. You're just awesome in everywhere, okay? You're like 100 out of 100, okay, for this person here. And they definitely see you as marriage material. And I feel that this person here does think and want long term with you. With the King of Wands here, this person is extremely passionate about you, okay? They want to take action towards you, okay? And they're zoned in on you. There's no one else who's compared to you, okay? This person only wants you. This could be someone here who's very controlling, very high-headed, possessive, someone who misses you sexually or whatever, right? But there's a lot of attraction out here, okay? Like King of Wands, at least it's a king, so I know that this person's decisive out here, okay? They're not fucking around here. But you know what I don't like here is that they see you as marriage material, but they're not coming off as someone who's wanting to offer marriage. Yes, the King of Wands could be married, yeah, but all right, okay. The overall energy is the Three of Swords here, which means that this person's pretty heartbroken right now. There could have been a breakup, a separation here, okay, which could have just completely, you could have randomly cut communication with them, or you could have just ghosted them. They could have ghosted you, okay. But now this person wants to come back around in full speed. Let's see. What's the King of Wands? Who's the King of Wands here? What is this King of Wands energy? What's the King of Wands here? Okay. Had a few cards. Three of Wands, Eight of Cups. Okay. So this person here has probably made a final decision. Okay. They made a final decision and now they're manifesting. Okay. They're waiting for the right time out here. But I think this person here is leaving something that was their comfort zone. Okay, and now they're walking towards you. With the Six of Cups here, this person definitely wants reconciliation here. They miss you. There's nostalgia out here. But this is how the cards came out. Okay. So this person here is planning to walk away from something that was already established. Okay, so this establishment could either be anything, but they're manifesting, okay, reconciliation with you, and they're wanting to come back towards you. That's for sure. What's the Eight of Wands here? Clarify the Eight of Wands. Clarify the Eight of Wands. What's the Eight of Wands here? But they're heartbroken, Pisces. They're heartbroken. They're hurting. So it's like they broke their heart by breaking your heart too. Why is the Eight of Wands? It's definitely not someone here who's been fucking around, okay? This person's hurt. They're hurt bad. What's the Eight of Wands here? They're heartbroken right now. Whoa. This person, there's a huge change in their life going on. This person here, two things. Either there is an ending in their life somewhere else, or there was an ending between you both here which completely transformed this person, and now this person is coming towards you with a changed personality. The way they're going to come towards you, you're not even going to recognize them, okay? But there was a huge transition, a huge alteration that they've done to their life. Maybe they've let go of the past. Maybe there were a lot of buried feelings, okay? And now they are ready to change it and they're ready to move forward towards you. But whatever's happened, when this person comes back towards you, because it's like, you know what, I feel this person here is so excited about this tough phase that has ended in their life out here, okay? And I feel that this person here has gone through a significant change or transition within themselves, or this entire relationship has gone through a huge transition. So probably right now there's a lot of silence in your connection, okay, where you don't give a fuck about what's going on. They are probably, because you are in that mode where I don't give a rat's ass to what's going on with you. I'm moving on. You could be exploring your options. You could just be moving forward, whatever. That's what's bringing this person back towards you. All right. Tell me this person's intentions. What are this person's intentions towards Pisces? What are this person's intentions towards Pisces? What are this person's intentions towards Pisces? What are this person's intentions towards Pisces from the 20th to the 30th of October 2021? Same shit, different day, right? Queen of Cups here. You could have this. First of all, this person has a lot of deep love for you. Okay, this person here loves you a lot. Okay, very deeply. They are trying to analyze a situation here. But I think with the Queen of Cups here, this person is trying to trust their intuition. Okay, their intentions are to love you, and they do love you. Okay, so the emotions and feelings are deep, but I think right now this person here is so there could have been an opportunity or an offer that you could have made to them or they could have made to you. I feel this is an opportunity where you could have made to them, where you offer them some sort of opportunity to commit, or maybe you wanted them to commit to you, or there was something that you told them, but it was more like an opportunity of an offer here where, you know what, let's make this happen, let's do this. So they're kind of looking at that offer again and again, trying to analyze about what they can do next about it. But with the Page of Cups here, they have 100% intentions of reaching out to you, probably apologizing to you, okay? But how they're going to do it is going to be with the Seven of Swords here. Again, it's going to be very sneaky, a very sneaky approach. They're going to come back towards you in a way where I don't like the Seven of Swords here, okay? Because again, it's the same energy where, you know, I keep coming back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I love you, I want you, I want to be with you, but I can't marry you, I can't commit to you. Or, you know, I'll just come in at my own convenience here. But the Seven of Swords is always a very selfish energy, okay? Now they miss you, they're attracted to you, they want the passion, they miss the love, they have nostalgia. So again, they come back towards you. Then they don't give a fuck, because then after a while, if things get too attached, or they get too attached, or they know what you want, again they sneak out, which is why I don't like the Seven of Swords here. But the Seven of Swords is a very, very strategic energy, okay? So it's very strategic here. Overall, Page of Wands here. So yes, with the Page of Wands here, expect communication here. Very, very passionate communication, you know. It's like, yeah, I mean, this person's here, again, they're seeking adventure, stuff like that. But guess what? This is your approach, Queen of Swords. You're going to cut their head the fuck off. I feel two things are going to happen, Pisces, when this person reaches out to you. Either you're going to be like, fuck you, don't ever call me up again, I'm done, I'm moving on, have a good life. Or you're going to be so nasty to them, they'll fucking like just curse the day they were born. I know that was too drastic, too dramatic, but I'm telling you, that's the Queen of Swords here. She will not give a fuck to what the other person thinks. See, that's that immature approach, right? Over and over again. Again, that's why I'm saying the Seven of Swords, this is a repetitive energy. It keeps happening over and over again. Again, the same thing, you know. So, but whatever. What's the Page of Cups? Page of Cups. What is this Page of Cups? Page of Cups, please. Three of Swords. See, they're so hurt. They're hurt, so they're wanting to come towards you and apologize. Either they hurt you, you hurt them, hurtful things were said and done, they can't get over it, they're pretty hurt, heartbroken, etc., which we saw in their feelings also. This person out here, Pisces, one thing I can surely tell you, this person may act like they're okay where they are. If that's what you know, maybe they're on Instagram putting in nice pictures, or you just see them chilling in their stories, etc. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. This person is carrying a very heavy wound from the past, or from this connection that was split, okay? This person knows they broke your heart, and by breaking your heart, they broke their heart too. They could have broken your heart because of a third party situation, or there could be a third energy, external energy, okay? Maybe this is someone who has fear of commitment. This is someone here who just wants to be with you, only want to be with you, but they just don't want to label the connection, whatever it is, right? But yeah, their intentions here right now are definitely that they're hurt, they're wounded here, but they want to talk to you about it. It's like they want to open up, okay? So there's emotional communication coming in. But with the Hangman here, they won't, they're trying to see things from a different point of view is what I'm getting. That's what I'm thinking. But again, it's that very stuck and stagnant energy here. It's going to take a while, Pisces. But communications coming in, it's in their intentions, okay? So if it's, the intentions are pretty positive. I got 2 communication cards, okay? So yeah, they want to heal their wounds. They want to reconcile. 7 of Swords, please. What is the 7 of Swords here? What's this deception? So this person here is coming back towards you, again, not telling you the truth or not letting you know their real intentions towards you. What's the 7 of Swords here? This is not sneaky in a bad way. This is sneaky in a good way. Okay. How can it be sneaky and good? Sneaky in a good way means like everything is there that you want here except the commitment part, by the way. So intentions are good, but their approach towards you is like, you know, cunning. 7 of Swords here. Very, very intelligent person out here. This person always thinks from their logic and they ignore their intuition. They know their approach is wrong, but they're very confident they'll get away with it. Really, Pisces? You're going to let them get away? I don't think so with the Queen of Swords. What's the 7 of Swords? The Lovers, the Tower, the Strength. Wow. This person is very confused, okay? Now they know that there was something that shook them up, okay? They feel a very, very strong connection to you, okay? This person feels spiritually, mentally, physically, emotionally connected to you, okay? There is no one compared to you and there is no one else who they can ever have. Either this person has a lot of other options, okay? So they're confused, or they're very confused about which other approach they should take and they can't think about anything else, which is why they're just, you know what, I'm going to sneak back again, okay? Waltz back into Pisces' life. There is a huge realization that this person has with the Tower here, but they're still holding back. They're still holding back, which is why the sneaky energy here. So it's like, I know what's going to happen. I know what has happened. I know where I fucked up, but I want to resist change. I don't want to do something that I'm supposed to do to be forever with Pisces. So I'm just going to keep holding back, keep controlling myself from opening up to Pisces and telling Pisces what I really, really feel. And I'm just going to just keep sneaking. Okay, 7 of Cups here, like I said, this person is very confused, all right? See the Moon here. This person has a lot of deep emotions, deep-seated fears, anxiety. They are projecting. This person is projecting their past fears or their overall fears, stress, anxiety and insecurities on their current relationship with you, whether you've broken up with them or not. That's what they're doing. They're just too scared. They're too scared. They're just too scared. Okay. Let's see, Pisces. Let's draw some Lenormand for you. I just started Lenormand. I love Lenormand. I love Lenormand, dude. This is so accurate. All right. Tell me, will there be communication? What will there be communication for Pisces from the person they are dealing with in love from the 20th to the 30th of October 2021? Will there be communication between Pisces and the person they are dealing with romantically from the 20th to the 30th of October 2021, please? Oh my God, Pisces. Okay, I am so excited. Shh, calm down. Nemo, calm down. All right, Pisces. The Moon here. So we do have a lot of emotions. It's going to start off very, very emotionally, and with a ring here, which is a card of commitment, it is going to lead to the child, which is going to be a brand new small beginning between you both. Check Capricorn out. Check Capricorn out. They almost had the same reading out here. So this person is going to reach out to you, and probably this is the intentions that they have, which they're being sneaky about. So they want to come towards you, probably deep down they want commitment with you, but they don't want to jump the game, because we have a lot of pages here, which means that someone who's just more like, I don't know how to handle this, but okay, I do have a lot of love. They've considered your offer here and they want to make it happen. But with the 7 of Swords here, they won't really tell you what's going on, or they won't really tell you what they want with you here. Whoa, Pisces. Pisces, wish come true, baby. Wish come true. It's going to start off very emotional, that's for sure here, okay? Overall, I do see that there is going to be a new emotional beginning out here between you both here. This person here is trusting their intuition, okay? And something is going to happen out of nowhere, unexpected, which is going to move towards something more committed, which will lead to a brand new beginning. It's going to be a small offer, guys. It's going to start very small. I'm thinking more like an Ace of Cups here, okay? It's going to start off very small out here, a small, like a very immature beginning between you both, but this is beautiful. This is beautiful here, okay, with the commitment card here. Wow. Guys, please check out the Capricorn feelings and intentions. They have this, okay? But yeah, you have a wish come true coming in. And it's all because there's too much of emotions out here. Maybe in the full moon, maybe one of the moon cycles, full moon probably, or whatever, right? But Pisces, you're getting what you want. You may cut them off with the kind of communication that they come in. I feel, what, Pisces, for most of you, or probably few of you, I feel that you won't even be open to listening to what they have to say. Yeah, I feel you won't even be open to listening to what they have to say. It's like, you know what, I don't have time for this bullshit. Why? Because of your past experiences, you feel this person's just doing the same shit, like a Knight of Wands energy here, which is why you won't even give them a chance to talk to you. But okay, that's up to you. What's meant for you is meant for you. All right. Okay, Pisces, that was beautiful, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.